Please, you can get a place just in front of me. I will introduce the space in a minute, and then we start the show. So that's the Godzilla LED experience. Of course, now we have a preset show just for the Fuori Salone. We organized something very dynamic, exciting for you to see whatever is possible with the use of light. But I just want to underline the fact that this is a place that, upon reservation, is a working place. So you can come back here and see every single effect singularly and very deep. Now we start the show. I hope it will be inspiring for yourself. We start the journey with the concept of graphic to color light. So we start the show with the most evocative and empowering feeling of light. Very strong contrast between light and shadows, blades of light, sharp blades of light, sharp effects in which we can create something which is in the day is not visible. Have a look to this building in Shanghai, in which in the night every single window is illuminated by trick, and of course we create something different. That's what we call graphic light. Of course also grazing light by the trick. You can see on the column. Please just have a step in front of me and see what we can do with also trick grazing light. Then all these effects might change the vision of architecture. If we add color to graphic, this is what we create. So we even emphasize more, we also enhance the emotion of what we feel. That's the trick RGB, and that's the underscore pixel RGB, the very latest innovation we got in our lab. A very minimized LED strip, addressable every single 8 centimeter to create a rainbow of colors, even colors following each other. Then the underscore, that is a solution you can see in this facade in front of us, is a solution suitable for outdoor application. All the technological content is hidden behind the lines. We just give you a nice solution for you to the guests to see some effect, but of course you can see dot-free application, you can see bright color, white and colors. Here is just simple design, a few lines, a couple of squares, just to have an idea what we can do with the use of graphic light and underscore. But of course, once again, Godzilla works together means that this is a tool for you, for the light designers, for the architects, to create something in their own architecture, in their tier design. This is also a flexible LED strip, reliable under the rain, under the sunrise, no temperature problems. So also we stole it from Dubai to St. Petersburg without any trouble at all. So we now finalize the graphic and color light, and we keep going into this journey with what we call invisible to space light. Now you will see a light switching above my head, but probably you won't see where this light is coming from. Here it is. This is what we call invisible light. This is laser blade, and the evolution which is BladeR. We have a cutoff optic, patented optic, that of course over a certain angle is not visible. You see how much light we have in the environment and no light source in the ceiling. The evolution of BladeR, actually, R stands for round, but also for responsive, because we are embedding several solutions within the BladeR. Within this circular shape, we have several devices that go beyond light. Beyond light, we have some light over light, so functional lighting plus accent lighting by a shaper, but we can imagine to add devices for safety, for entertainment, for better environment. This is a Bluetooth sensor, emergency light. This is a smoke detector. We have speaker to sound diffusion. We have video cameras for safety. Everything is perfectly integrated, embedded into the luminaire to clean the ceiling. So also the ceiling, we go from chaos to order. Everything is perfectly organized within the BladeR devices. Now let's go back to the lighting topic. We started with the information of invisible light. It was the patented solution 10 years ago. We evolve the invisible light source, we re-engineerize the optic once again, and we obtain a decorative optic. This is opti-diamond. Now the luminaire is visible. The luminaire is very visible. It's nice to see. It's like a diamond glowing in the ceiling. So a technical luminaire with a decorative touch. As you can see here, it's very nice, and we also give the concept of spaciousness of the environment with these effects in the ceiling. We continue the journey from human to shape light. Now the human light is a light that puts human, ourselves, at the center of our projects. So you see dynamic light, biodynamic light, both in color and intensity. Warm light, cool light. We have seen it in the Blue Lagoon project, for instance. Is a solution very easy, technically resolved by the use and control of light in order to follow our needs and follow and enhance our mood when we leave the space, both indoor and outdoor. So this is what we can do. Thanks to technology, we can easily control all the light nowadays. And we finalize this journey with a shape light. Shape light is here, another patented optic by Iguzzini, Palco framer, Palco shaper, perfect edges of light that perfectly shape the light in our environment, and of course create specific shapes, specific ideas. If we add gobos, we can also once again create something which is not real. This is simulating a walk through a wood, or maybe we can simulate a canopy in front of us. Everything is just enhanced by the use of basic light. Once again, I want you to try to figure out what you can do with the real environment in front of you, not just a basic space for the use of light. Then you add colors, you add images once again, and you have very evocative, very visible picture, fire, water, DNA that comes into a human being. These are very strong images that can convey message to the citizen. That's another application suitable for outdoor environment, to deliver a message to the citizen of a city. So linked, connected to these images, there are strong information, strong topics behind it. For instance, save the planet, because of the fire, the human being are these results. And we finish this journey with the seventh and the most interesting application of light. This is what we call the bit light. Again, it goes beyond architectural lighting. It's very creative. Like a roller coaster, you can appreciate this show. Enjoy. this is the Godzilla experience. Hope you enjoyed, it was inspiring for you, and thanks for your visit. Now I wish you a better continuation of the Fuori Salone here in Milano. Thank you very much. Bye bye.